Alright, in this very quick video, I will show you how to uninstall mower blades from a riding mower deck. In my previous video, I pointed out that you should probably wear gloves because you do not want to slip and cut yourself on the blades, but someone kindly pointed out in the comments that you probably shouldn't use your foot either. And you might think your shoes offer you some protections, but these blades are actually offset far enough that if my foot slipped and my leg fell in there and these kept spinning, they could actually kind of chop into my ankle. And again, especially if you're just wearing sneakers and not steel-toed boots or something, not a great idea. So here is a little trick just to wedge a block of wood in there up against the outside of the deck. And then the bolts are just righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. No trick like I think it's bicycle pedals or something where one of them is reverse threaded. So make sure you put that in, and I've already started to loosen this one a little bit, but block the wood such that it is rotating, it is blocking counterclockwise rotation of the blades. And then once you get it loose enough with a wrench or a ratchet, then the blade will pop right off, and you may then need to reposition the wood for each blade. So here you can see that didn't really do it, it just slid it out of the way. But if I reposition the wood there, as I continue to turn this one, now it is stuck into that wood. I can loosen it and then repeat for all three. So again, real quick video, just wanted to follow up on the previous one to show that trick using the block of wood. Thank you.